Hey guys, so we have here our Sony SRS XB100 Bluetooth speaker, and in this video I want to explain to you how to pair one of these speakers to your Android phone. So in this case this is an Samsung phone, but it will pretty much work in the same way for any other Android phone as well. So of course we have to first turn on the speaker, and in case your speaker is still brand new, then it's just going to go into the Bluetooth pairing mode straight away. You see this by the blinking LED here, the blue LED. In case your speaker doesn't go into the pairing mode by itself, then you just press the button here one time.
Pairing.
You hear then this jingle and the announcement that the pairing mode is now active. So then let us switch over to our Android phone. And here we're going to go into the settings menu. So we're going to find this by just swiping down, and in this case here in the upper right corner there we see this cogwheel icon. Go in there. And then depending on your phone, it may already find the speaker by itself and suggest you to connect to it. So in this case you just press on the connect button on the bottom here. So this will be the most convenient way. In case you are not seeing this pop up, then just continue in the settings menu here under connections, and in here we're going to find the Bluetooth option somewhere on the top. Just go into that menu, and here we make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and then we're going to look on the bottom of the screen for all the devices that are in our area here in the pairing mode, and here we find SRS XB100. So let's click on that, and then there's in this case here a confirmation pop-up that we really want to pair to the speaker, and then within seconds it's going to be connected. And now here we can see all the services that the speaker provides. So you see you can make phone calls, of course you can play audio, and you also see here the battery percentage. So at this point the battery is right now charged to 100%. Okay, so now maybe you're wondering if you have to go through this pairing process every time you want to reuse the speaker. So the answer to that question is no. So the next time you're turning on the speaker, our phone and the speaker are going to remember each other, and they're going to reconnect right away, just like you see here. Okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.